Hello and welcome to my channel. In my today's video I am going to discuss about the lakes in India. We will go from north to south. Right from Jammu Kashmir till Kanyakumari. In India there are number of important fresh water as well as salty water lakes. So let's discuss about them. This video is going to be in Hindi as well as in English. Wular Lake. Wular Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes of South Asia. Wular Lake was formed due to tectonic activities when there was a collision between Eurasian plate and Indian plate. Wular Lake is situated in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir. This is a freshwater lake which is fed by three rivers, Jhelum, Madhumati and Aran River. Total area is 189 kilometers square. Wular Lake is one of the 75 Indian wetlands which is designated by the Ramsar sites. Ramsar wetland sites are the sites which are designated under the Ramsar Convention. The Ramsar Convention is a convention on wetlands. Wetlands are basically a part of the ecosystem. These are regions which are flooded with water or they are saturated with water. The water can be salty or it can be fresh water. And these regions can be filled permanently with water or seasonally with water. But they form a very important part of the ecosystem. They are mostly lakes and lagoons. Ramsar Convention, which was held in 1971. The name is derived from a city of Ramsar, which is in Iran. It was a convention for the protection of wetlands and to protect the habitat of wetlands. It is an international treaty for the conservation and sustainable use of Ramsar sites, which are designated wetlands, specially for protection. Wular Lake is also a very important habitat for a lot of fishes. So various species of fishes like common carp, rosy barb, mosquito fish, etc. are found. Therefore, fishes form a very important part of the diet of the Kashmiri people. हम बात कर रहे हैं वुलर लेक की, जिसको संस्कृत में महापद्मा सारस भी कहा जाता है। ये एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत ही बड़ा फ्रेश वाटर लेक है साउथ एशिया का, जिसका पानी बहुत मीठा होता है। ये लेक बांदीपुरा शहर में स्थित है, जो कि जम्मू कश्मीर में है। वुलर लेक टेक्टोनिक गतिविधियों की वजह से फॉर्म हुआ था। इस लेक का टोटल एरिया 189 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर है। इस झील में 3 नदियां बहती है, झेलम, मधुमती और आरिन। इन नदियों की वजह से इस झील का पानी शीतल और मीठा होता है। वुलर लेक 75 ऐसे भारतीय झीलों में से है जो कि रामसर कन्वेंशन के अनुसार निर्धारित किए गए थे। विकिपीडिया के हिसाब से रामसर साइट क्या है? रामसर साइट वह आर्द्र भूमि या नम भूमि है जिन्हें रामसर कन्वेंशन के तहत अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महत्व दिया जाता है। तो वो इंटरनेशनल ऐसे कुछ साइट्स है या लेक्स हैं जिनको रामसर कन्वेंशन के हिसाब से चूज़ या डेजिग्नेट किया गया है, जिसको हम कंजर्व करेंगे फ्यूचर के लिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बर्ड हैबिटेट्स हैं। यहाँ पे कई प्रकार के पशु पक्षी और एक्वाटिक लाइफ भी पाए जाते हैं। Dal Lake is a very famous lake. You must have seen it in old Bollywood movies. It is situated in Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. It's an urban lake where you will find a lot of people living around, and it's also the second largest lake in Jammu and Kashmir. Dal Lake is known by many names like the Lake of Flowers, the Crown of Kashmir, as well as Srinagar's Jewel. It's known for its commercial activities like fishing and plant harvesting. It is also lined up along with a lot of Mughal gardens like the Shalimar Bagh as well as Nishat Bagh. This lake was mainly built during the reign of the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. That's why it's known for its scenic beauty and a lot of culture. So in this lake you'll find lots of colorful shikaras. Shikaras are wooden boats of various shapes and sizes. They are mainly used for transportation and also for market gardening. They resemble the Venetian gondolas. Some of the shikaras are also installed in water so that people can stay there and can spend their holidays. So shikaras are also used as floating gardens. So floating gardens are the shikaras and the boats which are used as for marketing all the vegetables and the fruits which are cultivated in this valley region. It contributes majorly in the economy of Jammu and Kashmir. The local name of the floating gardens is Rad, which is in Kashmiri. Rad actually means blossom with lotus flowers. So, a lot of flowers, fruits, and vegetables are sold in the market, which is a floating garden. But in the recent years, Dal Lake has gone through a very serious condition called eutrophication. So, eutrophication is a process by which a body of water gets filled with or covered with phytoplanktons with green algae or simple plants, which hinders its flow. Due to eutrophication, Dal Lake has been dysfunctional for many years, which has affected adversely its tourism industry. So in 1997, there was a 500 crore project to save the Dal Lake, which was called as Save Dal Project. This was launched to save the lake. For this project, SDRF, that is State Disaster Response Force, as well as Lakes and Waterways Developmental Authority, which is LWDA, had joined ventures to clean up the lake and to remove all the harmful weeds and algae and restore its original glory. Since then, various authorities and organizations have taken several steps to restore the beauty of Dal Lake, and this entire process is called as Jannat Arzi. डल लेक स्थित है श्रीनगर में, जो कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की राजधानी है। डल लेक को कई नामों से जाना जाता है, जैसे कि फूलों की झील या कश्मीर का ताज और श्रीनगर का गहना। ये झील जहांगीर के शासनकाल के दौरान बनाया गया था। झील में काफ़ी व्यावसायिक प्रचालन होते हैं। ये झील जहांगीर के शासनकाल में बनाया गया था। इस झील में कई प्रकार के रंग बिरंगे शिकारा देखे जाते हैं। ये शिकारास थोड़ा बहुत वेनिस के गोंडोला जैसा दिखता है। ये शिकारास तैरते हुए बगीचे जैसे होते हैं, जिनमें फूल, सब्जियां और कई प्रकार के अन्य सामग्री बेचे जाते हैं, और कई बार ये शिकारा पानी में भी स्थित होते हैं, जिनमें रहने के लिए काफ़ी पर्यटक आकर्षित होते हैं। यूट्रिफिकेशन की वजह से ये झील काफ़ी टाइम तक बंद था। यूट्रिफिकेशन वो प्रोसेस है जिसकी वजह से पौधे और शैवाल एल्गे का सुपोषण होता है और वो पानी में जम जाते हैं। इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने लगभग 11 बिलियन खर्च किए हैं इस झील को यूट्रिफिकेशन से बचाने के लिए और इसको सस्टेन करने के लिए। हरिके वेटलैंड, which is also known as Harike Patan, which is the largest wetland of northern India. It is bordered by Taran Sahib district and Firozpur district of Punjab, and the total area is 285 square kilometers. It is situated in between the confluence of Bias and Satluj rivers, and there is also a national park called Keolado National Park, which is situated near Bharatpur. It is one of the Ramsar sites, and also several species of birds are sighted here, ideal for bird watching, as 368 species of birds have been sighted. It is also habitat for several kinds of turtles, snakes, lizards, amphibians, fishes, and other animals. The water of this lake is considered to be A class or of high quality. The bird sanctuary of this place was set up in 1952. This lake has also been developed as an ecotourism spot. Several endangered species of birds migrate into it from the month of November to February, the best time for bird watching. हरी के झील, ये झील जिसको हम हरी के पटान भी कहते हैं, वो नॉर्दर्न इंडिया या उत्तरी भारत का सबसे बड़ा वेटलैंड है। ये वेटलैंड फिरोजपुर ज़िला में स्थित है, जो कि पंजाब में है। ब्यास और सतलज के संगम में ये स्थित है और केवलादियो नेशनल पार्क के पास में है, जो कि भरतपुर में है। इस झील में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की पक्षियाँ और जानवर पाए जाते हैं, जिनमें से कई लुप्त प्रजातियाँ भी हैं। झील में काफ़ी प्रवासी पक्षियाँ आया करते हैं नवंबर से लेकर फेब तक। Sambar Lake. It is a brackish water lake. It is situated in the Sambar Lake town of Jaipur district in Rajasthan. It is the largest saline wetland which attracts thousands of flamingos and other migratory birds, especially in the winter months of November to February. सांभर झील, जो कि सांभर नाम के एक नगर में स्थित है, जो जयपुर ज़िले में है, राजस्थान में। इस झील का पानी पूरी तरीके से नमकीन है, जो कि हज़ारों फ्लेमिंगोज़ को अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करती है, स्पेशली नवंबर और फरवरी के मंथ के बीच में। और काफ़ी प्रवासी पक्षियाँ भी इस झील में आती हैं विंटर मंथ्स में। Haflong Lake, which is situated in the Haflong town of Assam. Haflong is a hill station in Assam. It is situated at a height of 683 feet above the sea level. It is a major tourist place to attract lots of tourists because of its scenic beauty. There is also a temple here which is called as Ramchandi Temple. Haflong Lake या झील, जो कि हाफलोंग नाम के शहर में है, जो असम में है, और ये सबसे ऊंचा हिल स्टेशन है असम में, जिसकी हाइट है 683 फीट। हाफलोंग की खूबसूरती देखने काफ़ी पर्यटक आते हैं। इसका वातावरण शांत और मनमोहक है। पैंगोंग झील, जो लद्दाख में स्थित है, ये पूर्व लद्दाख और पश्चिम तिब्बत के बीच में स्थित है। ये लेक 5 सब लेक्स में डिवाइडेड है। इन सब लेक्स का नाम है पैंगोंग सो, सोन्याक, रुमसो और नियाक्सो। ठंड के समय माइनस टेम्परेचर होने की वजह से ये पूरा एरिया बर्फ़ से ढका रहता है। ये लेक टेक्टोनिक प्लेट एक्टिविटी की वजह से फॉर्म हुआ था प्री हिस्टोरिकल टाइम्स में। So Pangong Lake is situated in Ladakh, in the eastern part of Ladakh and the western Tibet. Now it is 134 kilometers long, divided into 5 sub-lakes: Pangong So, Sonyak, Rumso, Nyakso. In winter it is almost frozen and it is believed to have been formed as a part of prehistorical times. Chilika Lake, which is a brackish water lagoon which is found in the Puri district as well as Khurda and Ganjam districts of Odisha. It is at the mouth of the Daya river. It is the largest winter ground for migratory birds. Several species of birds which comes or are listed under IUCN are red listed or threatened birds and animals. They migrate into this particular lake region. This lake is separated from the Bay of Bengal by a narrow spit. So mainly Daya and Bhargavi are the two rivers that feed this particular lake. छिलिका झील, जो कि खारे पानी का लगून है, इसका पानी खारा है और ये दया नदी के मुहाने पे स्थित है, जो कि पूरी खुर्दा और गंजम डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है। इसका जो टोटल एरिया है वो है 1100 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। काफ़ी प्रवासी पशु पक्षी जो कि संकटग्रस्त हैं, वो इस झील पे शीतकाल में आते हैं। Pulicat Lake, which is situated in the Coromandel coast of Andhra Pradesh. It is around 30 miles in length and it is shared between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Around 40% is in Andhra Pradesh and 60% is in Tamil Nadu. Pulicat Lake also has the Pulicat Lake Bird Sanctuary which is situated here. Kolleru Lake, जो कि एशिया का सबसे बड़ा मीठे पानी का उथली झील है। ये झील एलुरु नाम के स्थान से 15 किलोमीटर दूर है, जो कि आंध्र प्रदेश में है। इस झील में ऋतुओं के हिसाब से कई प्रकार के प्रवासी पक्षियाँ खाने की खोज में आ जाते हैं। झील कृष्णा और गोदावरी नदियों के बीच के मुहाने में स्थित है। यहाँ पे खूब सारा मीठा पानी या फ्रेश वाटर है। इसी की वजह से काफ़ी पशु पक्षियाँ यहाँ रहते हैं। कोलेरू लेक is one of the largest freshwater lake in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is the largest shallow freshwater lake of Asia. Koleru is situated 15 kilometers from the town of Eluru, which is in Andhra Pradesh, between Krishna and Godavari deltas. It is a foraging ground for many resident as well as migratory birds. Loktak Lake, which is situated in northeastern state of Manipur, is a beautiful lake, and it also attracts huge amounts of tourists because of its beauty. It is the world's only floating lake. So Loktak Lake is well known for its floating circular swarms, which are called as fumdis in local language. लोकटक लेक, जो कि भारत के उत्तर पूर्वीय राज्य मणिपुर में स्थित है, ये विश्व का इकलौता तैरता हुआ झील है, जो कि कई स्थानीय और विदेशी पर्यटकों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करती है अपनी खूबसूरती की वजह से। तो इस झील में तैरती हुई गोलाकार दलदल है, जिसको स्थानीय भाषा में फुमदी भी कहते हैं। लोनर लेक, which is also known as Lonar Crater, and it is a National Geoheritage Monument which is there to be preserved for the future. It is basically both saline as well as soda lake. It had been caused because of a meteor hit around 6,000 years back in the Pleistocene period. Thus, it is a crater which is formed by a meteorite, which is called as an astroblem. This lake is situated in the Buldhana district of Maharashtra. So this lake has been turned into pink because of a microbe called haloarchaean, which is a salt-loving microbe, and it changes the color of the lake. लोनर झील को लोनर क्रेटर भी कहा जाता है। ये झील उल्कापिंड द्वारा निर्मित है, जो कि महाराष्ट्र राज्य में स्थित है। ये एक खारा और सोडा लेक है, जिसका पानी सलाइन और एल्कलीन दोनों है। ये झील 6000 साल पहले प्लेस्टोसीन पीरियड में उल्कापिंड के गिरने से उत्पन्न हुआ था। Now we will come to the southern tip of India, Chembarambakkam Lake, which is located in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. It is 25 kilometers from Chennai. It is a rain-fed reservoir and the first artificial lake of India, built by Rajendra Chola I, the son of Rajaraj Chola, and Thirubhuvan Madeviyar, the prince of Kodumbalur. This lake preserves huge amounts of rainwater and feeds the city of Chennai. Vembanad. It is the longest lake of India. The area is 230 square kilometers and the length is 96.5 kilometers. It is also included in the list of wetlands of Ramsar Convention. Vembanad is located in Kumarakam, which is in Kottayam. It is a picnic spot, attracts lots of tourists, and also developing as a backwater tourism destination. It is also a well-known destination for sightseeing and bird watching. There are lots of tourism activities like boating, fishing, as well as sightseeing. It is a home of more than 20,000 waterfowls, which is the third largest population in this world. Also is a home of numerous shrimps.